Guys, welcome, and this is a new video where I will tell you how to clean up your drive or disk. Okay, for this just follow the instructions. First of all, press Windows plus R key together. Okay, I already told this thing in all of my videos, and for this just have a look on the left of your keyboard. In the last row you have a Windows logo key with 4 squares on it. Just press and hold that, and along with that press the alphabet R as in Romeo and release the both key together. Then this box will appear, this run box. Type the name of the program and folder, documents or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you. Here you need to type clean mgr. Okay, let me just note it down on the notepad as well so you can see it in big fonts. Okay, that is C as in Charlie, L as in Lima, E as in Echo, A Alpha, N Nancy, M Magnify, G Gary, R Robert. Okay, so that is clean mgr, which you need to put in this box, the run box, and then hit OK. When you will hit OK, it will show you this dialog box. Okay, in this you can select the disk which you want to clean up. Okay, if it is C, then just select the C drive and then hit OK. Now it will calculate. Okay, here you can see, because I usually clean up my disk on the daily basis, you can say. Okay, for the betterment of my computer, that is why there is no much disk space or acquired space by junk and garbage files. Here you can check your computer or your device. Okay, and if you haven't clean your computer for a long time, then it may have a lot of junk. Okay, so you can find it here. Okay, these files includes temporary internet files or download program files or window error reports, these kind of things. Okay, and whenever you use the internet, then some cache files usually stores in the computer. Okay, and we can just remove these files because these are like almost junk and garbage. Okay, means of no use, just taking your memory space. So by ticking here, okay, we can select which part we want to delete. Okay, and except it, there are some system files which are also needed to be cleaned up. In the disk cleanup you will also find this option, clean up system files with an shield, administrator shield. If you will click here, okay, it will first of all clear these system files. Okay, so first of all, when you go to the disk cleanup, just clean this part. Okay, once you clean this part, then you go to the second part where we had the list of those files which can be cleaned. Okay, so right now it is just going to clean up that system file things. Okay, let it complete. And this video is about the cleanup of the disk, not about the complete tune-up of a computer. A tune-up of a computer can include various things. Okay, like cleaning of the browser and the other software which may have some cache. Just like we got some internet files of the browser somewhere to delete, that means the softwares which are going to use internet on your computer will create some kind of internet files, internet caches. Okay, so you can always clean these kind of systems from the computer. For this you also go for some cleanup softwares like CCleaner. Okay, so but if you will know by yourself, then you can means custom clean your computer, like wherever you want to clean you will clean, otherwise not, because there are some internet files that can be important as well. Okay, that can be also cleaned by the CCleaner, like you can say the passwords saved in the Google Chrome, it can be cleaned if you tick a option. Okay, so you need to know what you are going to clean, that's what I am telling you. So here it is, here you don't have any these kind of files which if you will delete, nothing will happen, means only the space will be clean, but there will be no harm to the any files of the computer. Okay, so once you selected these, you can always click OK and then click on delete files. Okay, once you clicked on delete files, it will start up cleaning these files from the computer, and your disk will be cleaned. If your space, means which you are going to delete, is a little big, then it will take a little more time. Okay, that's totally depends upon it. So now it is done. Okay, so for the complete tune up of computer, okay, I will release further videos on the tune up of a computer, and you just need to subscribe the channel, like the video and press the bell icon, so you will get our notifications in the future, so you will get to know about the complete tune up of the computer and a lot of more things. Okay, a lot of more technical things. Have a great day. Bye bye.